Sakalayan Gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The sage Sri Shukdev Goswami sat perfectly pacified, intelligent, and ready to answer any question without hesitation. The great devotee, Maharaj Parikṣit, approached him, offered his respects by bowing before him, and politely inquired with sweet words and folded hands. The gesture now adopted by Maharaj Parikṣit of questioning a master is quite befitting in terms of scriptural injunctions. The scriptural injunction is that one should humbly approach a spiritual master to understand the transcendental science. Maharaj Parikṣit was now prepared for meeting his death, and within the very short time of 7 days he was to know the process of entering the kingdom of God. In such important cases, one is required to approach a spiritual master. There is no necessity of approaching a spiritual master unless one is in need of solving the problems of life. One who does not know how to put questions before the spiritual master has no business seeing him. And the qualification of the spiritual master is perfectly manifested in the person of Shukdev Goswami. Both the spiritual master and the disciple, namely Sri Shukdev Goswami and Maharaj Parikṣit, attained perfection through the medium of Srimad Bhagwatam. Shukdev Goswami learned Srimad Bhagwatam from his father, Vyasdev, but he had no chance to recite it. Before Maharaj Parikṣit, he recited Srimad Bhagwatam and answered the questions of Maharaj Parikṣit unhesitatingly, and thus both the master and the disciple got salvation.